Hi everyone, my name is Jessa. I'm from the Philippines, born and raised, and I'm currently living in here too. I teach Filipino Tagalog language perfectly for the beginners and anyone who want to speak naturally. I speak native Filipino and fluent English, so I can explain every word and rule simply. You will never get confused. Even though I am a new to formal online teaching, I am 100% native speaker. I know exactly how to speak in daily life, correct pronunciation, and a real Filipino culture. I am naturally very patient and friendly and encouraging. I know learning a new language can feel scary at first. So, my lessons are always relaxed and happy, and no pressure. We learn at your speed, never rush. My teaching method is always simple, practical, and fun. I focus on what you actually need, whether it's for travel, daily chat, or making friends. I use worksheet, flashcard, pictures, and fun activities that I make myself so you can learn easily and remember fast. I specialize in absolutely beginners basic conversational travel pace and everyday Filipino. I explain everything in clear English step by step until you feel confident. Learning Filipino is easy and fun. When you learn with me, and that's it. I will guide you, correct you gently, and celebrate every small win with you. If you want to speak Tagalog naturally, learn real useful words, and enjoy every lesson, I am here for you. Book a trial lesson with me now and let's start your Filipino journey. Together, see you soon. Paalam.